We have all been there. You follow a recipe perfectly, but when you pull your pan from the heat, that delicate soufflé collapses, or a rich sauce violently scorches. It happens because cooking is ultimately a battle against invisible variables like heat transfer and moisture loss. For centuries, managing those complex chemical reactions relied entirely on human intuition. You simply had to guess what was happening inside your food. Stoking an open flame meant applying blind heat. You threw thermal energy at a heavy pot and hoped for the best, with almost zero precision. Even when we moved the fire indoors and trapped it in metal boxes, we still fought against invisible cold spots, relying on inaccurate temperature dials and the anxiety of a ticking timer. But the kitchen tech hitting the market in 2026 analyzes its contents rather than just blindly applying heat. Reliability now comes from sensor data rather than hunches. This starts with real-time adaptation. Ovens evolve to actively adjust their internal environment as they cook. This wireframe shows how the Agari Smart Oven works. Sensors identify your exact ingredients, calculating the optimal thermal curve. Once baking starts, it creates a continuous feedback loop. If it detects a cold spot, the system dynamically corrects the temperature curve in real time to compensate. We see the same logic applied in the UniVolt 2 AI pizza oven. Its sensors monitor the environment to hold the exact temperatures required for volatile recipes, like a Neapolitan crust. The burden of temperature control has moved from your watchful eyes to the machine's precision sensors. Smart technology allows complex cooking methods to happen in environments where they were previously impossible. The GE Profile Smart Indoor Pellet Smoker illustrates this. Traditionally, smoking meat requires an outdoor setup to manage the smoke and heat. But by integrating active smoke filtration and Wi-Fi-enabled heat sensors, this system brings that entire process safely onto your kitchen counter. The Spin coffee maker takes a different mechanical approach to brewing, moving away from standard water pressure. As this diagram illustrates, instead of forcing water down through a puck, the Spin rotates the coffee grounds at high speeds. It uses centrifugal force to extract everything from a dense espresso to a smooth cold brew. The physical layout of your home no longer limits what you can successfully craft inside. We are also seeing new tools designed to physically reduce the manual errors common during basic food prep. The Seattle Ultrasonic Chef's Knife tackles one of the oldest culinary tasks by reducing the need for sheer physical force. By vibrating over 40,000 times per second, the blade glides through dense root vegetables with almost zero resistance, cutting the required effort in half. For cooking, the Innova Precision Oven 2.0 brings strict, lab-tested steam and temperature controls to your daily roasting, baking, and sous vide. By digitizing physical actions and environments, these tools guarantee repeatable results, regardless of your manual knife skills or your internal clock. By 2026, AI and smart sensors function as a permanent sous chef in the home. The machines take over the math of the cooking process, constantly calculating heat transfer, the internal moisture levels, and strict pressure limits. That automation allows you to focus on the creative side of the meal, flavor pairings, ingredient selection, and presentation. In the past, achieving a flawless, high-stakes family meal demanded years of specialized training and hours of manual labor. These tools bring professional precision to any home cook, translating complex techniques into a repeatable process for novices and busy parents alike.